HEX is exchanging at 0.005 in terms of its US dollar rate, with a value change of 0.43 in the most recent 60 minutes, which is significantly contrary to popular belief. HEX unquestionably has a very complete market cap of 872,733,5513, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 5,397,832 and an unobtrusive manner. This particularly makes HEX genuinely positioning at 206 in the digital currency market, or so they essentially thought. If you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX in every practical sense be particularly worth in 2023, or so expected HEX value in 2023 based on HEX figure cost and specialist examination in 2023? The HEX value sort of is expected to fundamentally cross a buy in large normal value level of 0.007. The normal fundamentally least value worth of HEX toward the end of the essentially current year ought to generally be 0.007, or so they particularly thought. Besides, HEX can fundamentally arrive at, and in every practical sense most extreme value level of 0.008. HEX value speculation August 023, the exceptionally normal cost of HEX could essentially go to 0.006 toward the end of August 023, demonstrating that HEX value expectation 2023 as per the HEX conjecture cost and specialized examination in 2023. The HEX value sort of is expected to explicitly cross the 0.006 mark. Estimate HEX value September 2023. The normal cost of HEX could essentially be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of 0.0007 with the base expected cost of $0.006. So truly is HEXen in every way that truly matters wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023, or so they basically thought. HEX value calculator. In October 2023, the cost of HEX is most likely estimated to be around a kind of least worth of 0.007, which truly is very huge. The HEX value worth can basically arrive at a limit of 0.007, with the truly normal exchanging worth of 0.007 in United States dollars in a kind of huge way. Figure HEX value November 20th. 2023, the HEX price in November 2023 may truly arrive at a truly least worth of 0.007, while the most significant anticipated cost is approximately 0.007, which is genuinely vital. The average loss for HEX in general is expected to genuinely reach 0.007 in November 2023 in a massive way. HEX value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, HEX cost in a real sense is figured to explicitly arrive at a scarcely the most reduced cost of 0.007, so these explicitly are our HEX cost forecasts for HEX's future in a truly significant manner. The HEX cost could fundamentally arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of 0.008, with the essentially normal expected cost around 0.007. HEX pretty past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been somewhat diminished by 18.63 in its truly current worth in a quite enormous manner. Assuming we truly analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap truly is likewise down, which really is very huge. HEX really is confronting a sort of tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which in a real sense is very huge. The HEX generally is down to nearly 43.42 in every practical sense most recent 7 days. Amazingly, the coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections. For truly past, especially couple of days, the coin could truly have in every way that really matters solid essentials in any case. We don't truly believe that it would be a productive resource, and particularly in an unobtrusive manner inside the absolute most recent 1 month. The cost of HEX essentially decreased by 93.505, wiping out an incredible kind of normal amount of 0.072 from its overall current worth, or so they truly thought. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin is currently in plunge. implying that it can for the most part be a generally excellent explicitly purchase and open door for sort of speedy interest and an exceptionally huge manner. The 90 days cost change generally is near 80.08, and the cost in every practical sense flowed from an especially least fundamentally normal cost of 0.024 to pretty most extreme all things considered normal cost of hex is roughly 72.6%, with the fundamentally most extreme genuinely typical cost of the coin sort of being around 0.023 and the especially least essentially normal cost of generally being around 0.021 and truly, they buy in significant quantities after about 4 months. Hex value figure 2023 facts. What will sort of be hex genuinely worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive way? The hex cost, by and large, is gauged to by and large arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 0.008 within every practical sense least cost of 0.007 toward the end of 2023, so hex certainly is somewhere near 72.60. With the kind of most extreme especially normal cost of the coin really was around 0.023 and the base essentially normal cost of generally was beyond 4 months, hexes have a future and a genuinely massive way in terms of expense. Hex has a remarkable sort of potential to arrive at new levels and an exceptionally significant way. In fact, it explicitly is conjecture that hex will increment in esteem, which essentially shows that hex value estimate September 2023, the generally normal cost of hex could go to 0.007 toward the end of September 2023, or so they generally thought. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and Business Examiner, hex can truly raise a ruckus as a result. It is anticipated that the value of hex will rise. Bitcoin price prediction. Adam Back's bet on 2024 halving and whales confidence boost amid market turbulence. Bitcoin, the renowned cryptocurrency, has been facing resistance around the $29,000 mark, but it has recently managed to break above this level. As the renowned cryptocurrency continues to navigate its way through market turbulence, 2 significant factors have emerged as potential catalysts for its future trajectory. First, Blockstream CEO Adam Back's optimistic bet on Bitcoin's price ahead of the 2024 halving event has sparked interest and discussions within the crypto community. Second, the unwavering confidence displayed by whales through continuous Bitcoin accumulation has added to the market's conviction. Although there have been positive developments, experts are eagerly anticipating the release of the July Consumer Price Index (CPI) reports from the US and China. These reports could significantly impact the cryptocurrency market, influencing investor sentiment and trading decisions. It is crucial to exercise caution when making investment choices. The outcome of these reports has the potential to shape the overall market direction, and it is wise to be prepared for any potential implications. Investors are eagerly anticipating any new information that may affect the future price of Bitcoin.